恭喜你啊！谢谢。
贺老这事儿太突然了，是不是？
是。
教练，
你心态还好吗？
可以。
贺老的事儿啊，昨天晚上我们都知道了。一会儿直接去机场。
嗯，我就先回去了。
哎，回去吧。本来想着大家难得来，多待几天。不过该回去。哎，车订好了吗？
都订好了，放心吧。那我先去换衣服。
去吧。Wait a moment。
昨晚没睡好啊？哦，我一开始睡着了，后来感觉脑子里跑了好多事儿，醒了就没再睡着。咱俩差不多。贺老他，对于我们东兴城出来的人来说，是老师，但更像是个家长。昨晚上，我还跟我一个师姐在聊过去东兴城的种种不容易呢。没事。
The women 9-ball final will start first.
Let's welcome our players entering the court.
Please.
走吧。
I believe everybody is familiar with these two players. They both had their extraordinary moments in the previous rounds. One of them, Yin Guo, is called the dark horse in recent years. Another is a veteran who has been back from her retirement, Lin Yi Yang.
Now they are ready to play. Ladies and gentlemen, the final of the women's 9-ball is about to start.
Bichu. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yin Guo break. Yin Guo break.
So close, what a pity.
A single mistake will probably lead to the failure of one rack. That's what happens in a game between two professionals.
never know who'd win till the last minute.
Shiran has made a mistake. If Yin Guo can seize the chance, keep her cool, then it's highly likely that she will be the champion.
As we've mentioned in the previous games, Yin Guo is well known for her spectacular ability of emotion control. The advantage is even more obvious when she is facing greater pressure. That decides who would be the champion of Women 9 Ball. I think I'm now even more nervous than the players.
漂亮！恭喜你啊，谢谢。
Ladies and gentlemen, the champion of this year's Women 9 Ball Open, Yin Guo from China!
Congratulations to Yin Guo!
下飞机我来接你去追思会。江阳这次受打击很大。另外，林易阳今天接手了东新城，